how to add Google Analytics to Webflow. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add Google Analytics to your Webflow account. So how do you do this? The first thing to do is log in into your Webflow account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, the next thing is to navigate through to your site, that is the site that you want to add the Google Analytics to. But before that, ensure you have created a Google Analytics account. Okay, then click on the three dots on the site that you want to add the Google Analytics to. Once you click on the three dots, a box will be displayed. Ensure you click on settings. Once you click on settings, you'll be directed to the Webflow account settings. Now once you're on this page, by the left side of the screen, you will see some options such as general, sites access, etc. Ensure you select apps and integrations. So once you select apps and integrations, you'll be taken to the Google Analytics page. As you can see, the apps and integrations page, and then you see Google Analytics, then you see measurement ID. This is where your ID should be. So the next thing for you to do to get your ID, just go ahead and click on the Google Analytics account by the right side of the screen, or you can just open a new tab in your web browser and then create an account if you don't have an account already, and then go to your Google Analytics account just like I have done here. And then once you go there, the next thing for you to do is navigate to the left side of the screen and click on report. Click on admin. Left side of the screen, click on admin. Admin is located at the lowest part of the screen here. So once you click on admin, you'll be taken to the admins page. On the admins page, you'll see account, properties, etc. Ensure you click on properties details. Once you click on properties details, on the properties details page, by the right side of the screen, you'll see the property ID. Alright, click on copy, and then once you've copied it, go back to your Webflow and then paste the code here. Okay, then once you paste the code here, click on the save icon, and then the Google Analytics will be added automatically to your site. So you can also use this link to also look for your ID. Just once you click on it, follow the on-screen instruction and then paste your ID, and then you will be able to connect it to your site automatically. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.